Hello guys. Today the only focus the flat strip constant force spring. This one the whole set sample completed for constant force spring at the specification at this sample. This sample wide 12 millimeter, thickness 0.6 millimeter, at rate almost 18 to 20 pieces per minute. 18 to 20 pieces per minute. This one, just one of our example. We do a lot of deal for the constant force, spiral spring, wind up spring for wider user field. Firstly, this is my contact information. Okay, Guangjin spring machine. We are professional spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City and founded in year 2005. This is my contact information. This is my contact information. You can take a picture of this. If you are planning for import a spring forming machine to mass producing the flat strip constant force wind up spring, you can try to add my WhatsApp or WeChat, then send me your inquiry, send me your sample pictures. Okay, this is my contact information. So this is the sample. This is the sample. Flat strip, constant force, width 12 millimeter, thickness 0.6 millimeter, 0.6, 12 millimeter, at rate 18, sample production rate 18 to 20 pieces per minute. This is one of the machine with this function. This is the configuration tools lineup for constant force spring. Okay, the whole set machine, including the feeder, the wire feeder, the strip feeder, then move the wire material goes moving ahead, or sometimes the backward, mostly move forward. Then here the hub, the heart of the machine for his wire feeding. Then we call it this the work panel. This is a cam-based spring machine. Cam-based spring forming machine. This is a cam-based spring forming machine for cam-based. This so total 4 axes, including the fourth. We call it the spinner at 6 o'clock site. So the whole set machine, the tools, including the wire feeding tools at the rear of the work panel, wire feeding tools. For example, also the guiding plates and the feeding rollers. So in front of the work panel, we call it the forming the products, the spring forming tools, including the mender for the flat strip, special tools for cutter or forming tools, and the spinner tools. Here, spinner tools. The tools do a lot of grinding to defining its perfect shape. The tools at late. Here's the operating system. Operating system is the screen, but not touch screen. 17. The monitor 70 inches, English, Chinese, and Spanish, mostly using the English for mostly domestic export sales. We can also provide the tailor-made solution according to the client language preference. For example, the Spanish. So this the rate, sampling rate, 18 to 20 pieces per minute. This sampling completed, sometimes or mostly clients need to be here for free user training, and the training usually take for domestic 3 to 5 days. For foreign clients, take 6 to 9 days according to the level, basic skill level of the client, or basically the difficulty level of the products, of the tasks. Okay, this is for the constant force. Spiral spring are widely used in, for example, the automobile, car seat self-belt, also for the mechanical watch, or for the agriculture machinery spring parts. For example, the snow blower with this constant force spring, snow blower or lawn mower. So this paper telling the main points. Machine overview from the front view and the side view for his wire feeding hub, and this the whole machine from the rear view, including the wire decoil, the main machine. Sometimes once the material is very hard, we also using the high frequent induction heating furnace, heating equipment for the hard material with high frequent heating equipment. So this the samples at different shape. We also have this for a C clip at the outside to lock this constant force spring. And this is my contact information. We are professional spring machine manufacturer. We are the first group brand in China, founded in 2005. It's over 20 years experience in this industry. This is my contact information. You can find for more videos at my YouTube site, YouTube Video Bank, for more videos about other machine, other tasks, other spring sampling or mass producing videos. Okay, this is the Camellis spring forming machine. This is the Camellis spring forming machine for with or without wire rotary, with or without wire rotary 没关系的，我的只要他记住我，然后加我的 WA 就可以了。And this is our latest successful at the honeycomb conveyor belt production package for the wholesale wire mesh bending machine. For the material thickness from 0.8 to 1.6 millimeter, and for the material flat strip or width from 8 to 15 millimeter. As well, we do a lot of for regular spring in different type. For example, the compression, the torsion, double torsion, the pull spring, extension spring for the regular or for the special shape. We also have the solution more and more for the, in this couple of years, more and more we do a lot of customized solution for the special tasks. For example, also like this. This for the conveyor belt in different difficulty, different shape. You can see here from number 1 to number 5. Number 1 is the creative shape, and number 2 for the regular shape. Number 3 spiral wire mesh. Number 4 we call it the eyelet. Okay, my friend. Yes, and because if you are interested, you can take a picture list. I'm a baker, export sales manager. I'm a baker, export manager. You can take a picture list my key information. Take a picture list key information. So I'm a baker, export sales manager. You can. This is our brand, Guangjin Spring Machine, GSM. Here's the key figures. Guangjin Spring Machine, and I'm a baker, export sales manager. You can take picture list, then at my WhatsApp, at my WeChat, at my WhatsApp, at my WeChat. Then send me your drawing, send me your sample clear pictures from different directions, different angles. Then we will judge to evaluate your task, give you some of the machine suggestions, or give you the professional solutions for you. This is my WhatsApp, my WeChat. We are professional spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, South China. Our factory has convenient transportation within 75 kilometers from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport, or just 1 hour taxi ride from our factory to Canton Fair site. Just 1 hour taxi ride from our factory to Canton Fair site. Just 1 hour. Okay. For more videos, for more, if you need to find more about our what we can do, what is regular, what is special, you can visit this site, my radio bank site, at youtube.com/@bakerliu6338. This is my radio bank. Okay, take a picture list. This is my radio bank. This is my radio bank. For the regular sprints, for a regular task or special task, if you have a special, because in the recently years, more and more deal we provide the tailor-made solution for the client, more and more in the coming day, in the coming and the next years, more and more customized solution we provide for the clients worldwide. Our factory founded in 2005. Over the 20 years, we had export machine and provide our professional solution over 32 countries and regions. This is our workshop. We have the professional solution for you all. Okay, I'm a baker. This I'll show you a first view. This is the whole set cameras for conveyor belt. Okay, we're waiting for the client, waiting for because the client in processing the visa application this period, this days. Once the visa, he got the visa, he will be here for a free use, and the free user training take 6 to 9 days mostly for the foreign clients. This the whole machine, the feeder, the wire decoiler feeder, and the main machine cameras 11 axes. So 8 slider, the 8 slider, each of length driven by the servo motor directly, and this is a set of 0 point, 0 side. Just need to move to run semicircle from the lowest side. Here's the lowest side to the highest side. The tools fixed on here to bending. To bend, here's the manual. The wire goes moving out the whole length, bending the wire in different directions at one moment or a period of time. One moment or a period of time. The spinner. So this can make a lot of different products for even it can making the compression spring, but it's not using for mass producing the compression spring. It's with advantage at the bending, forming the special products of like the torsion, double torsion spring, and for the wire bending products. This will go for the client bending the conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate involving. For example, this is the sample. This is the sample. 1.8 wire diameter, wire thickness 2.5 millimeter, stainless steel foot grade, stainless steel single loop conveyor belt. Single loop conveyor belt. This one, single loop conveyor belt. Stainless steel single loop conveyor belt. We do a lot of deal over the 14 years because we successfully developed our machine for the conveyor belt in year 2012. In year 2012. Okay, this is the conveyor belt bending machine at different purpose, different shape. We're bending the single unit, then bending the single unit. For example, this one, 1.5, take about 17 seconds. This one, about 70 seconds. Bending the single unit, then weaved in chain, piece by piece, extended meter to meter. Here's the sample. Here's the sample. We're bending. This one I'll tell you the key special point. Firstly, this is double loop. This is double loop. Okay, this is double loop. Material 1.2 or 1.4 flocky stainless steel food grade. Conveyor belt, the single unit 1 meter. Our machine bending the single unit in one stop, completed, no need extra step, no need amendment after it's bending the single unit, completed, no need additional step, no need to amend the single unit, then piece by piece. This one, 1 meter, 1.2 stainless steel double loop at both edges, and one piece take about 35 seconds. Take time, 35 seconds, piece by piece. Then weaved by hand or by simple fixture, by the aid of simple fixture. Meanwhile, I show you some of the other machines. This one is today the focus for the flat strip. Today, focus for the flat strip. We call it the constant force with width 12 millimeter, material thickness 0.6 millimeter. Running rate, production rate 18 to 20 pieces per minute. 18 to 20 pieces per minute. And this machine at cost less 20 US dollar, less 20,000 US dollar. This machine at cost less 20,000 US dollar. This one. Camel base, 4 axes. Camel base, 4 axes. Spinner. Here's the spinner. And the cam base use the servo motor, Scientific operating system, monitor, English, Chinese, Spanish, Russian, tailor-made or to the custom-made as you wish, as you need it, but mostly in English. Okay, my friend. Meanwhile, I show you some of our other machines. This the cam base special task for conveyor belt, and this one also special. This is special as well. This is special for pipe creep. For pipe clip, hose clamp, just ending of last week. Assemble it down, assemble it down. Then next, put on a warm up 3 days. Then next, put on the tools, go sampling. 3 pair fitting rows, 3 pair, 4 axes. This special for pipe clip or hose clamp. And the green, the dark blue chase. Cameras 10 or 11 axes. For the fitting wire length 0.3 to 1.6 millimeter. I show you his wire fitting hook. I show you his wire fitting hook. This is the wire fitting, gearbox type. Wire fitting, 2 pair fitting rows, the straightener, wire fitting hook. Fitting wire length 0.3 to 1.6 millimeter, 10 or 11 axes. It will come for sampling, very soonest. And this is how our heavy duty one, cameras with wire rotary for the wire 3 to 8 millimeter, 3 to 8 millimeter. Once again, this is our assembly workshop. If you're interested, you can send me your drawing or sample pictures. We are professional spring machine manufacturer. I show you the samples we ever made for many fields. This one is the plastic pipe clip, extension spring, anti-vibration extension spring, and this agriculture lectern teeth. The mechanical watch, constant force spring. Anti-vibration using in high jump. Anti-vibration, high jump pad, high jump matches, outdoor sports, high jump. Anti-vibration. We also have the vibration suspension spring in electric scooter. This sample using for the automatic beverage selling machine, and this sample 8 millimeter iron ground steak, pet steak, or tent camp nail, ground nail. Agriculture. This is lectern, teeth. Agriculture, lectern, teeth. This is outdoor. Extension, pull spring, extension and pull spring outdoor. So here's the whole view. We do, and this area for the compression spring. Okay, one more time. Let me recap. Today, the key points. Recap the key points. Here's the smart spring. Sorry, here's the smart spring. Camelist no wire lottery, cam with wire lottery, or camelist with wire lottery. This using the pictures using in agriculture field. In agriculture field, also like the foreign China creep, plant bracket snap, a bamboo trellis creep, a greenhouse ratchet creep, greenhouse ratchet creep. Also using in construction site. This is a one camelist no wire lottery set up easily. 11 axes. The key specification parameters. The key parameters and the functions. They can make different spring also like extension, torsion, pull spring. And for constant force wire forming as well for conveyor belt ladder belt wire mesh. This is our heavy duty wire rotary spring forming machine, heavy duty. Heavy duty wire rotary spring forming machine. So this paper telling we now have 4 models in similar oval shape for different feeding wire capability from 2 to 12 millimeter. 4 models available for max 2, 6, 8, 10, 12 millimeter. This is one of our special advantage using our machine, the bending very type of conveyor belt from number 1 to number 5. Number 1, the shape creative. Number 2, the regular, the simplest conveyor belt. Number 3, spiral wire mesh. Number 4, we called it eyelid. We called it eyelid. Number 5. Okay, this very type of conveyor belt. So once again, this is my contact information. Please at my WhatsApp send me your joint inquiry or sample pictures. Or for more videos, please visit this site. Take picture at my WhatsApp, at my WeChat. Professional spring machine manufacturer, GSM. One more time, today, the topic, spiral spring, constant force, wind up spring, Hello, Mr. Wimple, Botany. Hello, Mr. Baldurax. I think you are speaking France. I think you're speaking France. It's a French style name. It's a French style name. Mr. Bentley Products. Hello, Mr. Wimple Botany. So one more time, this is the key point. Take a picture, then send me your inquiry. Take a picture, send me your inquiry. This one, the cameras, multi-slide cameras, feeding wire length 0.6 to 4 millimeter for the conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate in this, the manger, the spinner to be fixed on the tools. Then go next, sampling. We're waiting for the client be to our factory for a free using training. This goes for our special for the conveyor belt. This. Okay. I show you the rear view of this machine. The rear view of this machine, cameras for conveyor belt from 0.6 to 4 millimeter. 0.6 to 4 millimeter. Goes wire decoil moving, goes to straightener, 7 straightener. Horizontal, vertical. Then goes to gearbox driving, wire feeding gearbox. This is the heart of this machine. Two hearts, the wire feeding system and the operating system. Wire feeding system and the operating system. Two hearts, the most important two parts. This one, wire feeding gearbox, operating system. Cameras, work panel, rear view of work panel, 8 sliders, driving sliders. Every sliders, 8 sliders are driven by the servo motor directly. This goes for conveyor belt for wire 0.6 to 4 millimeter. This one is a single hook at both ends. Single hook at both ends. Solid one. This is the solid one, not the flat. Bending the single unit, one stop. Bending the single unit, one stop, completely. No need another additional step. No need amendment after one stop. So, one stop bending the single unit, then waved together, waved in chain, then extended meter by meter. This one. Okay, anyone interested, please add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat. I'm a baker. We are, and our brand, GSM, in Dongguan City, South China. From Guangzhou International Airport to our factory, within 75 kilometers, and about the take time within 70 minutes, from Guangzhou International Airport to our factory, and just 1 hour taxi ride from our factory to Canton Fair site. So all my friends, next time, once you or with your team come to South China, come to Guangzhou, welcome to take 2 or 3 hours, come to our factory, okay?